All right, guys, so it's no secret that we are big fans of SnapOn products here at our shop. I'm here with
Richie Johnson.
And he slings tools around these parts. Where do you service the areas?
I service Apple Valley, Lucerne Valley, Crestline, Running Springs, Big Bear, and I have a little part of San Bernardino as well.
See, we're not getting paid by him to say any of this. We're just a big fan of SnapOn, so we're gonna go ahead and put this video out. If you guys need a SnapOn guy in that area, he's your guy. So we have quite a few SnapOn boxes around here. I'm gonna count them out for you guys. Here's one. Number 2, all of our Ford certified aluminum equipment is stored in this box. This is a box of Tyler's here. Number 2. Moving on to number 3, we got Mason's box. Number 4. Over here, we got my personal box. It's a little bit dirty and disorganized, but number 4.
Probably the only guy in Southern California that has a white one.
Yeah, I know, it's filthy right now, but you take a look right up ahead. We have our SnapOn sign that Richie had gotten us very recently. We're very proud of it. Number 5, we're gonna shoot across this alleyway. Number 5, we've got our alignment rack toolbox, filled with a lot of our alignment stuff. That one's older, but that is toolbox number 5. Moving on to number 6, our mechanical technician's toolbox. Nix, we have it over here. That is box number 6. The blue roll cart, number 7. This over here, once upon a time, was Tyler's old toolbox, and then it ended up being the late, great Chuck's toolbox, but this is box number 8. Number 9, we have the beautiful stainless steel, kind of chromed out box. That is Carlos's box. Box number 10, we have Antonio's. His is the same color as mine, candy apple red, beautiful SnapOn color. Number 11, another beautiful box we have here. The Epic. That is the centerpiece of this shop, and it's probably the best. It definitely is the best box here. Now we're gonna go next door. We got a couple more. It doesn't stop there. All right, over in the shop next door, we got toolboxes number 12, which is Tyler's Rec Tech kind of computer box. So it's a flip top one, pretty small, but he keeps a lot of his calibration wear in this box here. And number 13, our 13th and final SnapOn toolbox. We do everything SnapOn around here, you better believe it. Number 13 is Antonio's glass box. Yes, he does have 2 toolboxes around these parts, but beautiful little box where he does all of his glass work aside from his main one over in the main shop. On top of all the boxes we have here, guys, we got a couple of SnapOn AC machines right over here, and our SnapOn battery charger where we charge all the cars. It's a battery charger, jumper, does everything you need. But Richie, you've been servicing us for 5 years now. You said it feels like 20.
Yes, it does.
What made you want to get into doing SnapOn? I mean, I'm sure you knew it was the best, and that's kind of what got it started for you.
I did get into SnapOn before this. I was in the drilling industry. I was a roughneck on drill rigs, and I just got tired of not being home. And this affords me a better lifestyle so I can be home with my kids and my wife and still make a great living and love what I do as well.
So, thank you for coming along for the ride. I know you guys like the SnapOn content, so we're going to be sure to get with Richie, get some more exciting things going. But let me know down in the comments what you thought about this video and what you want us to do next.